I want to make this menu better. So how can we do this? First and foremost, I thought if you hover over those, they could... I think I wanna make... Well, how do we know if we can't buy something in Bloons? If we don't have enough money. Do I have to play it? Ah, it shows here. On this image. If we don't have enough money, that's what it looks like. Oh gosh, why is this so small? It says the image is bigger. Ah, there we go. If we don't have enough money, that's what it looks like, and it's gray. We can't purchase it. The other ones are green. Okay. Chat on bully mode. Let's see. So first and foremost, I see that they have perfect separation by background, and so I would need to do that too. I want to have some sort of separation. Then I noticed that no, the menu is quite large. Yes. How's the background separated in Bloons? By this little outline here. You see that in the back? This little outline, and then it has text in here. That's how it is done. And so if this outline was not here, there wouldn't be as much of a separation. And I suppose it also shows this image right here, which is interesting. We could do the same thing for the unit. We could display it right here. Right, make the menu a bit bigger. We have some vertical space. Okay, he's gonna get DMCA'd by Bloons. No, I'm just taking a look at how they design their UI, and I'm designing my UI in a similar yet transformative way. I'm trying to take a look at what type of how do you say that? I don't know how to say that. I'm missing the patterns. What type of... What is it called, man? I know there's a word. Tricks? Maybe tricks. What type of tricks they use to make to create this separation. Right, so first they have this normal menu. I have this menu as well. So then they have the name on top, right? I could put the name on top here as well. Then they have an image of it, which, you know, we could do too. Then they have a list of 3 upgrades, which we could do too. And then I suppose we need I think we need a background here. Techniques, exactly. That's what I was missing. Thank you, Unreference. Exactly. So that's what I'm trying to do too. I wonder if I should add in this guy at the top and the name. Let's try that, right? Let's begin with this. And then just see how far we get. I have a cool idea what we could do. Maybe that works. Contents, draw abilities. So the top part would be the name of the unit. Unit. Name. Draw UI text. Hero. Name. Hero. Do they even have a name? Currently, units don't have a name, so I guess we'll do a placeholder name. Right for now. We put it at the contents position. Or yeah. Contents position dot y plus equals 10. Let's do that first. Why don't you use Control U D instead of scroll with cursor? Oh wow. I don't like the Control U and what is the other one? D. It doesn't really feel good to me. It's not next to each other. U and D is so spaced out. Alright, homies, I got to go. Take care of my stomach after eating beans. Oh god. Bye. Yeah, well, bro, you have fun, bro. And thank you very much for the support on YouTube. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. What a nice person. Dot center. There we go. And I think I want to put this on Windows Center. Well, let's see, Windows Center minus upgrade menu size.y divided by 2 plus 10. Back 2. And then over here, this would be 0. There we go. Now the name should be in the... I see. It's gotta be plus. When we do minus here. And plus there. Placeholder name. Hero name. There we go. That's what we have, right? That would be the hero name. We give it an outline, I guess. Outline. Oh wait. Let's put this here. Put it here and here. That makes it look cooler. There we go. Like that. Cool. Now that we have an outline, I also want to give it a nice little material.color. That would be color. Excuse me. Oh, goodness. Let's try 28. We do the bare minimum. I do the bare minimum. 100%, brother. The bare minimum. Gesundheit. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Bless your heart. All right, thank you, man. Appreciate it, brother. My man. 28 is a little bit too bad. How about 27? Maybe green. Those people on YouTube don't even know what I'm way upping about, right? Hey! Hey! I have the power to go back. Thank you very much for following. Tactical Nuclear Penguin. Cakes the fuck? Wait a minute. I need to take a look at A sprite really quickly. I'm confused now. This confused me. Aha! So going down. So. Fuck you. $28. Move the name a bit down from the border. Yeah, we will move it down. I'm not happy. 15. First I need to find a good name. Nah. It's close. I want it green. Let's say try 20. $15 is good enough. I think this is better. Animation state idle. Plus Vec 2. Wait. I know what to do. I know where to place it. Windows Center.x. Right. And then content position Y. There we go. And we can do the same thing here. Windows Center X and content position Y. I don't like this song. I'm gonna skip it myself in a second, guys. I do not like this song. It doesn't get me into the flow state. Thank you, Shade11. You didn't like it either, right? Doesn't flow very well. It's more like, yeah. And then we do 40 here. I have a cool idea. So much activity on YouTube. Are you growing? Congrats, man. Too bad they will all be ignored for 30 minutes and then leave. What do you mean? What do you mean? What? Nee, jetzt shut up, you guy. Stop. That's mean. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, that's very mean. Inukai, hello? Hey! That's not funny. Top chatters. Oh, excuse me. Hi, friends on Twitch. Guys, I have a cool idea. F11. I think this is the smallest one I can address, right? What we're going to do now is draw an A sprite really fast. And being inspired by these roots here, these nuts. At least the color. We're going to draw roots. Ring! Kebab, good morning! Hello, Godot enjoyers, good morning! Hello! You joined into a C++ game. We're currently working on this menu right here. Bloons like upgrade menu. We are not stealing, but we are getting inspired. Good morning. Shout out. Did it work? Did your shout out work? You have to do /send. Try again with /SO, not exclamation mark. My man, thank you very much. Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing good. Hey, yo. Hello there. How's your game coming along in Godot? Can you... Hey, Kebab, could you do me a favor if you have some time, please? Can you say what you like and don't like about Godot in like a couple of sentences? Because I would like to ask you a question on Godot. Right, you have been switching over to Godot if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is gonna be great, guys. Oh, this is gonna be great. Unity refugees here. Okay. I wonder what you think about Godot. Like, you know, the engine, the program itself, the coding, the UI, the interface, stuff like that. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna quickly draw some roots. Kinda hard to summarize in a chat message. Yeah, that's true, that's true. I mean, if it is a little bit too difficult for you, that's fine. I just have, you know, an idea on... I guess we'll make a selection here so we can't get out. Right, and then quickly, we already have this. Let's make this a bit bigger. Can I, wait, guys, is this like Photoshop? This is like Photoshop. Lol, left and right makes this bigger. I didn't know that. I learned this in Photoshop. Lol, look at this, guys. I can make that thing bigger and smaller. But I can't see it here. I can only see it here. I wanted to look at Mac support and checked out your Schnitzel motor engine. I didn't expect to cry after seeing how one would made a full pull request gave up on you reviewing it. First time a GitHub repository made me cry. Shut up, Inukai. Fuck off. I'm gonna review it in the future, okay? Piss off. Get off my back, man. You are worse than... No. Fucking piece of shit, bro. Fucking hell. Worse than Niggs. Long live Chaos Esports. Twitch scam U13. The money will come to you. I wonder if this guy is a bot. Cause I got followed by 11. Dude, you're fucking up my stats, bro. Go away. And I also want to hear the sound again. My least favorite part would be the jankiness of some features, like the animation editor is terrible, even comparing to Unity's. You mean in terms of the UI, Kebab? You mean in terms of the UI in Godot? Just asking for a friend. Lol? Hä? What the fuck? Fucking knew it. Which color is that even? Is that supposed to be this color? Or no, I made that color myself. It's this color here, and then we turn on shading. Actually, we don't turn on shading. Fuck it. This is going to be... Yeah, we do simple ink. How hard would it be to make my own C++ game? I really know the basics of C++. Yes, the UI is suboptimal in some parts. Wow, you're so nice, Kebab. I see. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Like my biggest, how do you say that? Not melting point. My biggest, not concern. Oh my God, English, come to me, please, today, come on, English. My biggest obstacle, no, also not regret. Oh my God. Hurdle, hard, obstacle, no. A skill issue? No, it's not a skill issue. My biggest, not concern, fear, no. Forgetting words, use more Rust, solves your memory issues. Shut up. This guy's a vegan of programming, man. My biggest, not regret. Weakness, no. Pain in the ass. The train left the station, can't review anymore. He closed it. Problem. And it's close to problem, yeah. It's close to problem. But it's a hurdle. It's not hurdle, no. It's like when you review something. Impediments, no. Hello, Squishy Shark, good morning. Gripe? I don't know. I'm sorry, guys, I don't know. Your biggest P2P, no. Dislike. God, it's a simple word, guys. Critique, it might be critique. What's poppin'? Making a UI right now. This is supposed to be roots in a second. Looks kind of meh at the moment, but it will be roots. Yeah, I don't know the words, guys. The word, guys. I'm very sorry. I tried. It doesn't come to me today. It's fine. Hesitation? No, it's like when something is annoying to you, right? And it is like annoyance, like issue. Maybe my biggest issue. There it is. I told you it was a simple word. No one said issue. It's the simplest word of all. Issue, good word. Yeah, my biggest issue. Yeah, I told you. Brain, it doesn't want to come with me. Issue, wait, he said it? Oh, he said it. First word, actually. Fuck. I'm sorry, man. I didn't see it. Fuck. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. My biggest issue with Godot is the UI. And the bugs. I don't know. Have you encountered any bugs, Kebab? Like, I had so many bugs. Holy shit, man. Unity UI is so nice, you would love it. Yes, I know. I have done stuff in Unity. It actually is nice, yeah. The particle editor always comes to mind there. Alright, this is where we begin and fine-tune this a little bit. Not too much, right? But just a tiny bit. you know, make it look like these are real roots. And I would like to swap these around. There we go, right? We turn this into some awesome looking roots. Don't spend too much time on it, right? Annoyance, same. Yeah, like my biggest issue with Godot is the UI and the bugs. Oftentimes. Thank you! Hello! Yes. When it's done. When it's done. I want the game to look and feel good, and then you guys get to play it. For free. Demo version. You guys gonna get a demo version of that. Okay? When the game is done. When I feel confident in you having a good time in the game. That's when you get to play it. Thank you so much for following Apple. I appreciate it, bro. Yes. I will not release the game as a demo version until I am confident that it is in a good enough state. Can I get 3 review keys? No, you won't, because you're gonna sell them on pages. I know that. I know you. But, oops, fuck. Photoshop fucked up my brain, man. You can't do middle mouse click in Photoshop. Fuck. Shade 11, piss off. Stop following, asshole. I hate you. You're fucking up my stats every stream. Fuck this guy. He's a dumbbell. I hate him. Look at those roots. Just like your mama's bush. Damn, bro. Look at them roots. You know what this reminds me of? Has anyone of you played Dragon Age? For some reason this reminds me of Dragon Age. I don't know what it is. I can't really tell. But for some reason that's what comes to my mind. Not sure why. Maybe it's because of the... I don't know, actually. I have absolutely no idea. Guys, what would be reminiscent of the Dragon Age in this? Can't even tell. Look at this, guys. Huh? What do you think? And now I'm just gonna, you know, extend this down, blah, blah, blah. And that is going to be our, like, kind of background. I did multiple times, never finished it though. But what about all the Souls players that play the game to suffer instead of feel nice? Wait, what are you talking about? Coming from Godot and having tried Unity sounds like an issue of just being used to another program. Now, Opus Dev... I do think the bug situation has improved a lot since 4.2, yeah. But yes, I need food. Good luck and fun. Thank you. I'm sure, but I'm running in a custom build of Bleeding Edge Master. Honestly, been significantly more stable than Unity. Okay, that's interesting. And also, Cubus Dev, you know, coming from Unity. I didn't come from Unity. I came from a C++ game where you have literally zero UI. Right? My game doesn't have any UI. However, the issue I have with the UI in Godot is that it's so convoluted. You can't find options. That's my biggest gripe. Yeah, I tried to find an option, I can't. Because it's in so many sub-menus. Which is insane. I've never seen so many sub-menus in my life before. Especially all of those that you have to like unpack, right? There we go, looking nice. Let's make that a bit smaller. Like Chad's penis. It's not that big. It's a bit smaller. They wish they had, but nope. Absolutely not. Damn, I love this. This is looking really nice. Gives it a more of a nice feel. And I have some other ideas. It should carry on behind the icons. Yes, I'm trying. I'm currently in shade mode. I'm trying. Let's see, let's remove that icon here. Okay, this is the first iteration of it. And I have another idea here. In the middle. Over here. I think I want to make this a tiny bit brighter. Maybe that works. What do you guys think? Is that a good idea? I've seen you using many programs, but you always struggle with UI in every single program, every single one of them. No, that's not true. Have I struggled in Aseprite with UI? Tell me.
Inukai, tell me, have I struggled in Aseprite with UI? And if you say yes, tell me an exact example of when I struggled with UI in Aseprite.
You could just use stencil to put some texture on the layer. No, I don't want to use a program. Pixel art is not something that you can program. Oh man, I selected the colors, didn't I? This color and this color. Huh? Yeah, select those two colors. Don't move this. Huh? Huh? Oh, I see. Shit. Control Z. This color and this color. Then switch. Guys, I have a neighbor up there that keeps running on the floor and does... I wonder what they're doing there. I wonder if this is like a kid. But the funny thing is, or the weird thing is, I never see a kid. Like they don't have a kid. Right? I don't think it's sexing. That doesn't sound like sexing. It sounds like someone is running. You know? So I'm totally confused as to what it is. Trying to understand. You know? What could it be, guys? Like, why would someone run like that? And then, like, boom, boom, boom. Have you guys experienced with, like, the top upside, like, what is it? Top neighbors? Alright. That's starting to look really smexy. Maybe it is stopping because they don't let it out. Ghosts, haunted, drums. Have you seen your first full years with it? Haven't seen your first 2 years with it. So like to give you an idea, Inukai, I think I still have a clip of me trying Oh, my man, chalice of choice. Someone is trying to escape since weeks and you're just ignoring him. See, that's what I'm thinking too, bro. They're like hammering on the floor and then they like get smacked by the holder, the captive guy, yeah. Thank you, thank you. I can try. I can torture without ads now. Shade 11. Yeah, Shade 11 is like here every day, man. My man, such a big supporter. The red color is wrong, my dear. I actually totally forgot I had a coffee, by the way. Fuck. Well, I don't have another color. I have another, maybe that. No, that's darker. I mean, that could work. Yeah. Yeah! Okay. And then we get this dark color. B. And now we start giving it shades, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. We just give it some, you know, wrinkles. Like that. Boom. We give it some 3D textures. But it does have to make some sense, though. Guys, I'm good at pixel art, am I? You can say it. You can say it. It's fine. I know you want to say it. Say it. This guy's good at pixel art, right? He spent 2.5 years learning this from scratch. I couldn't do pixel art before. Guys, anyone can learn this. If you want to learn pixel art, start today. Nothing should stop you. People saying you can't draw, fuck them. They're stupid. They're idiots. They don't know what they're talking about. You can do it, guys. Believe. It is really that easy. You just do it. It is. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it. If you dream about making a pixel art tree, do one right now. I did it, you did it, and I'm doing it, you did it, and that's game. Nothing is impossible. True, Robin. 100%. I agree. Exactly. You know what I learned about pixel art after doing it for so long? The less colors, the better, the cleaner. It's a weird thing, you know, you might think, oh, I need a lot of colors. Actually not true. You don't really need that many colors. That is not true at all. You just need enough colors to convey information. So for example, in this case, I'm trying to convey depth. And how do I convey that? By adding shading. And that's it. I don't think there's even more. Yeah, there's just 2 colors here. That's all. You don't need more. Boom. And you are already done. People who grew up in houses tend to stomp when they walk because they don't have downstairs neighbors to worry about. Also, you think it's because this guy grew up in a house? I mean, I did grow up in a house past the age of 6, but I always walked on my toes. But I guess maybe because I was trying to hide from my dad, because he would tell me not to do shit. Right? And I had to be like sneaky. I guess it also depends on what parents you have, huh? Like I would be very sneaky. Maybe he has really large feet. I have large feet. I have some of the largest feet out there actually. I don't think he has large feet. Don't think so. It could really be, you know, someone. I don't think so though. Like, but I mean, yeah, I don't know what it is. It is sometimes it's really, especially at night. It happens at night too. Sometimes it's like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm like, dude, what's going on? It's 2 a.m. Like, I don't mind, right? I don't mind the noise. I just mind. I'm just wondering what it is. Like, who could that be? What are they doing? But I would never complain, because I'm not a complainer. Like, I'm loud myself. I don't have the rights to complain, right? If anything, they should complain about me. So yeah. Still weird. I would like to know what's happening there, so I'm at ease, right? Because every time you hear this like banging sound or whatever, right? You wonder what's going on, right? What is it called? You worry. Yeah, that's the right word I'm looking for. You worry about it, right? You're like, what would that be? And then you move on, but still, every time that happens, it's a question mark. Seas11, everyone knows what big fat means. You're disclosing that your dad would do that to your overwalking. Explain so much. Overwalking? I'm not overwalking. No. I would always be quiet because I didn't want him to come up. Especially when I was playing computer games when I was not supposed to have the computer on. Right, I put Play-Doh where the power button was, so it looked like it was off. Green Play-Doh, the power button was green. And so I used dark green Play-Doh to make it look like it is off. And you would always look at the power button. And then I would turn on music in the room. Loud music, not that loud, you know. Decently loud. So he couldn't hear the fans of the computer. But I still had to be sneaky enough so that whenever he came up, I would hear it, right? It's like 5 head strategies had to be invented in order to get my fix for computer games. You know what I found really wholesome, I wish my parents did, was you know those big streamers that came up recently, like Jinxie and Queso? Anyone of you knows Queso? It's like a kind of a... Like people make jokes about him being fat, but he has a very nice community. It's not toxic at all, right? Burger King. You know him? His mom actually encouraged him to stream, which is insane, right? Whose mom would do that? So he's not fat? I mean, I guess he's fat. But it's like a joke, right? But my point is not that he's fat. My point is that his mom encouraged him to stream and is managing his Discord. You know, whose mom would do that? Who would do that? Say, hey, my kid, let's go stream. Think about it, right? Who of you in chat has a mom that would do that? Not many, right? Reading books under the covers with a torch as a kid? I would play computer games, man. I would play Nintendo games. I wouldn't read books. Dude. Excuse me. Oh, that was good. Cakez, his root and tree-based background with his farming is surprisingly nice. This root and tree base with its framing is surprisingly nice. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man. Shit. It's not done yet. Because the menu is going to be bigger. But I have to like quickly create a new... So I can select this. I want to do an outline inwards with a color. How do I do an outline inwards? Ah, it's inside. Mm-hmm. Why is the outline not inside, guys? I'm confused. Should I just... Oh my god, I'm just gonna draw it, whatever. So essentially what I was trying to do is this. Do an outline here. Inside. On where the unit actually is. To make it look like it's highlighted. I thought I could do it with a command, but I guess Asprite doesn't let me do that or doesn't work with this. Not sure what it is. Yeah, actually today I would have soccer, but I'm cancelling it. And yeah guys, tomorrow I won't be able to stream, and on Sunday I won't be able to stream either. But I think you know that, right? Maybe this outline is bad, we'll have to see. The idea is that this outline shows the hero. Family time. My wife's sister, the kid has birthday, but she lives in Krefeld, which is an hour and a half of driving away. So we will drive there, and then they go to Düsseldorf. And so it is going to be a long day. And then we will drive there and spend the night. We'll just have to see how that looks. Alright, it's time. Let's get rid of everything that is not the root. Let's get rid of everything. Goodbye. Goodness. Oh my god. Holy shit, man. Just delete it. Huh? Goodness. So many different colors. There we go. Whoops. Accidentally deleted the root part. This is going to be it. I think it looks really weird. Here, that outline. Have to see if it actually works or not. Don't know. Maybe it doesn't. If it doesn't work, we'll try a different color. If that doesn't work, then yeah. I mean, it was worth a try, right? It was worth a try. If it doesn't work, we'll use something else. Cool. Now, this is going to be the menu background for now. And I think what I have to do is move it a little bit further down, but we'll have to see. All right, let's paste this here somewhere where I have enough space to move it down even. It's not enough space here. Dude. You know what? I need to get rid of some of this stuff here. Let's put this, I don't know, here. Don't need that. Then we have enough space. Cool. Alright. We're going to extend the roots. But let's first check how it looks in game. What do we have? Is it a 27 in height? That's bad. I'm gonna use 26, yeah. Alright, where is it? This was a long one. But now, hopefully the menu is going to look much, much better. Now let's add that here. There's UI here. Sprite menu heading roots. Sprite. Menu background roots. The what menu? Menu upgrades background roots. Add that in and then give it an atlas offset set and a size. So what do we have here? We have 1392 and 112, and the size of it is 82 by 126. Düsseldorf, the sickest Dorf in Bundesland. It's not a Dorf actually. Okay, now where is the menu? Over here. And then what we do is in contents we do layer by 1. We do this twice. Roots. Draw UI sprite. Sprite menu upgrades roots. That would be the window center. And that's it. And then after this we do -2. There we go. Now it's probably not gonna show immediately. It doesn't, and we have to probably restart stuff. Yeah. Actually, we just have to restart this. Like that. And now we just save and export the atlas, and then it will look different. Let's see. I mean, damn. I have to say, wow. He's farting? No, I didn't fart. It's this thing here. So guys, what do you think? Improvement? Would be cool if you make one border of the one for the border of the menu also. I like the roots. I like some roots. Yeah, I think it would be. I think it's good. Nice. You like it? I have an idea. Shading. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. Wow. Wow. Damn. God damn it. This, oops. Oops. Ah, stop it. Four pixels? Shit, there's one last thing. There's one last thing that the menu is missing. The target priority. What we can do now with this bar is make this bar smaller. We display the skills, and then maybe we can display the weapons here at the bottom too. But we are missing the target priority. I didn't think about that, actually. Let's finish the menu really quickly, and then, because it doesn't take much to finish it now at this point. All we have to do is take this part, duplicate it, and then just connect it here. And then make sure that both parts are somehow the same size. There we go. Then maybe take this and flip this. Stop it. Maybe take that. Stop it! Like that. Flip it vertically. Not vertically, horizontally. There we go. And then maybe remove some pixels here. So that it looks a tiny bit different. There we go. Now we have a second one, and we can use that as like a bottom part too as well. There we go. And then probably what's gonna happen here at the bottom is it's gonna be cut off like this. There we go. So that is going to be the full menu. Which, how long would that be? How long does it make this? Alright, give it a little bit less of some, give it some less irregularities, but people will not notice. They won't notice that much. What is the height of this now? 176. Let's get to that. 176. And then we just make sure that the menu reflects that height. There we go. Now we just have to make the menu bigger until it fits. Looks much better with a background texture. Not sure it's quite right, but it's the first iteration. Yeah, the first iteration for now. It's gonna take... I don't think I will ever change that much. Let's see, 78. We had 76, now we try 78. It's a bit more. 80. And now you could see that we have to move the menu down. 80 is probably 82. 82. 82. It's 2 pixels. MP3 today, get hyped. There we go. What do you think? Decent. I have some other idea. You should do teaching tutorial for game dev. Hey, Robert, I already did on YouTube. I have a YouTube tutorial on how to make a game just like this one. An engine just like this one. Oops. Now, where is the position? I can't find it. I can't. Okay, sorry about that. It was really triggering. It would always. 150. I think it's too low. Too low. That's too low. 60 pixels. Yeah. 120. How about 120? Cakez, why not switch to J? You tried it. Isn't it better? Why? Why would I because I don't want to rebuild my entire game, bro. That's why. I like J. Yes, 100%. It's a great language, but I don't want to change my entire game just because I found a language I like, you know? Because that would take too long to rebuild everything. I have an idea. Let me show you something. Last iteration, and then for now we are done. I just need to figure out a way to put the target priority. I mean, I guess it could be here at the bottom, right? The target priority, but it would be nice if the target priority is somewhere in the menu here. In my opinion. Cakez, did you ever consider making your Udemy course? I mean, the only reason why I would make a Udemy course is because of money. Like, I don't see any other reason to do one. Maybe I make one when I have released my game. Maybe. I see what the idea of Udemy. Yeah. Money isn't so bad. Yeah, I mean, it's true. It's true. I could make one, right? But I think I can only make one once I have tried CMake, like my CMake version of how I would make a game or a build script. I have some cool ideas there that I didn't act on yet. How would he read the sign-up agreement? Ah, shut up, bitch. Fuck off. Like, I don't read anything. You don't know. Like, you just see me... Okay, bro. I know how to read. Documentation is the enemy. Fuck off. That's coming from you, VMT, the one that has seen how much I read through the MP3 documentation. Have you seen that? I was literally reading that multiple times. Now, what I wanted to do is this. Some cool stuff. Watch. We have... Hoopty! Good morning! And thank you so much for following! God damn it! I wanted to do this. Watch. It's gonna be glorious. Oops. Simple ink. We do this. Shit, how do we do that again? Yeah. Yeah. Cakez, first time. Glad to be here. My man, appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Please tell me that works. Tell me that works and I love you. Tell me that works and I love you. Please tell me that works. That would be so awesome. Watch. You will see, and then be blown away. It's gonna look good. Where is it? Dude, 1168 and 48. Hey. Sprite sliced menu. Selection. How do I know how big it is? Get sprite button icon. Wait. Menu center. No, wait. Wait. Position. What happened with J? Nothing. Okay. Watch. This is gonna be awesome. It's not perfect, but it's a beginning. Huh? What do you think? This one needs to be a bit bigger. Right, so we do +2. But that's essentially the idea that I just had. That's nice. How come it resizes automatically to each shape? Because I'm getting the sprite. I think maybe try doing the white pixels like steps all the way. You mean this? You mean, oh, you mean this? Like that. You mean it like this, right? Well, that could also be this, right? We take this, keep it. Let's move it down. We could say, well, no. We just want that. That could also work. What the fuck? Mouse over information for players is great. I think this is better. I have a feeling, but I feel like it should be maybe like this. Trial and error all the way. Yeah, of course, that's how you do it. Try doing white pixels all the way. Schlitz. Oh, Schlitz. Hello, Beta 2. Welcome. Hello on YouTube. Minimal yet obvious. Yeah, I think this is good enough, to be honest. I don't think we want that, right? Or maybe this is better. Actually. Maybe that's even better. I prefer full border, to be honest, but it's subjective. Yeah, it is. You can't really make everyone happy with this, especially since you see the creation process of it, right? See how it is just trial and error. I like this the most. I like this the most, actually. 2 hours already. Actually, I think this is the best. I can't actually do it like this, I think. Oh, I can't actually do it like this. But let's try. Wonder what happens when I do it like this. Think a white border doesn't make sense. Difficult to say. Really difficult to say. I'm gonna keep it like that for now. Make it light gray, 1 pixel border will look best. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I think this is good enough. Maybe border with alpha 0.4. Oh yeah, we could make it absolute massive clown. Shut up, bitch. Fuck off. What's your problem, bro? Fuck you. You are a clown. Hey, my man, I appreciate this support. Yeah, you actually followed for real. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Goodness. Fucking Scotland. I mean, transparency is... It's one of those things, you know? One of those things. C++ rage. I don't think this works as transparency. Doesn't look like it's additive blended at all. Yeah. Additive blending doesn't do anything. No, we're not gonna make it transparent. Okay, guys. This is good enough. The only last thing that I would like to do is, if we don't have the money, I would like to somehow darken it. So essentially, if we don't have enough of an upgrade cost. Hello, TCAP. What a nice surprise. Thank you so much for rating. I appreciate it very much, sir. Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing good, everyone. Where is the icon? Aha, Aizen, coming in. Welcome, good morning. Just in time for the not programming section. Yeah, we're going to switch over in a second. Ah, the button is here. Yeah. Animation index. Oh, my man. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Good morning. That was dog shit. That was fucking dog shit. That's fucking dumb. That was stupid. Oh, oops, not upgrade code, but upgrade cost. Is there no clip of the RMRF? I think there is, but I just don't have the time to collect all of those clips. I'm trying. I'm currently just stuck with streaming and YouTube and then live. Yeah, there is actually. It's somewhere. If anyone finds it, how's progress today? Very good. We did this. Huh? Ah. What happened to the equipment? It is gone now. That's a big improvement from yesterday. Thank you. Appreciate it. Looks good. Thank you, Travis. Why? Is there 2 pixels there? Eh? Where did those come from? Where do these 2 pixels come from? Ah, wait, it is on the unit here. Lol. It's here. Ah, I see. Hi, my friend. Your game looks awesome. Thank you, the Windy K. I appreciate it, brother. Do you stream and work on your game full time? Currently, I'm trying to become a full-time streamer. I am streaming whenever I have time. So basically in the morning, and then as a side job, I do 2 jobs. I have a mini job and some other consultant job to pay the bills. That's currently how it works for me. But I try to become a full-time streamer. Yes. Okay. Good. I think this is good enough. This looks very promising. The only thing that's weird is whenever I have enough money, these don't show up. Which I wonder why that is. And once we are done with that, we are actually done. Draw upgrades. Are you not drawing anything? Did I do something wrong here, guys? Item data. It draws the apple. Maybe in draw choice there is a... I don't understand why it's not drawing them. Give weapons a bright lining or make them brighter. Yeah, they will get brighter if you can buy them. Yes, exactly. Check with the tree stomp hero, since that icon seems taller. Yeah. I wonder what it is. Where is it? I don't understand. Maybe they don't draw on below the frame. That's what I think, yeah. I mean, we can go in here, F11. F10. Let's see, we get the sprite. If the button is hot. We don't need that anymore, actually. We don't need this. This is one thing, but we are not even going in here. We do the button. Contents. Wait, we do the button. Well, that's it. We just do the button. Lol. So, I think... Huh. Interesting. Why does it not work? Maybe that has something to do with the draw heading. I need to rebuild really quickly. Disappeared when you added the darken out of money part. Did it disappear then? Can it be the UI change layer twice? -1? Oh, you mean at the bottom? Wait. You might be onto something. Change layer 1, change layer 1. Right, and then -2. You mean this, right? But it's at the bottom. And then we have another one here. Layer 1 here. I hate that, you know. It's so annoying. This is the one thing about my UI system that is absolutely dog shit. This layering thing. It does show up. Here. Shows up correctly. But then once I get money, it doesn't show up anymore. UI is the worst part in any library or game or engine. Yeah, unfortunately. What could it be? I mean, I added this, but this doesn't do anything, essentially. Then I also added the roots here today, where I do +1 twice, right? But then I do -2 here and -1 here. And usually the way I figure out how it works is I have 1 here, and then at the end of the scope I have -1. That's how I figure this out. That's why I do so many scopes. So if it's 2 here, then that's gonna be 2 here. So that's definitely not it. I have an idea. We're just gonna watch the UI state layer. Is it GUI state layer? What do we have? It's called render layer. Huh? Is this showing different? Huh? Ah, it's render data UI layer. I see. Okay. I get it now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now we draw abilities. Blah, blah, blah. Good, we draw weapons. It's still 3, doesn't change. This is where it gets interesting. Still 3. No. Ah! Wait. There it is. It's this one. It's not the UI layer. Ah, shit. I see. It's this here. So basically what I do is in this atlas right here for UI elements in abilities, when they are active, I have a green border. I basically have the same thing twice. And so I store this as one texture with 2 animations. Animation index 0 and 1. And what I had in my code here was, okay, whenever I have enough seeds to buy it, I make it green. And therefore I'm indexing into animation index 1. That worked for weapons because weapons, most of the weapons are actually animated too. They have 2 versions. They have a menu version, what I want to display in the menu, and I'll try to keep it 16 by 16, but sometimes I can't because, you know, you want to have detail. And then they usually have an animated version for bows, especially for bows. And for weapons, it's like how it is in the game. In the menu, they have a black outline. In the game, I usually tend to use not a black outline, so as to not draw too much attention to the weapon. You see there's no outline here. There's no outline here. Or I like a very tiny outline. You see that? And so essentially for weapons, it would work because they have 2 animation indices. But for the other items, like the equipment items, this is just menu stuff. So animation index of this thing would be nothing, would be empty. It's empty here. There you go. If I had chosen any other item like this, it would index into this blue mask and I would have found out. But I guess I found out already. So I suppose now once this is gone, it should function normally. There we go. Okay, so it does work. It's fine. We just remove the green border, but it's fine, right? Thank you very much for following Liquid Snake. I appreciate it, man. Good morning, Mr. Cakes. Good morning, Silly the Cat. And I think what I want to do as well... I mean, if I don't have a weapon... But I guess it's fine. Wait, why can I not use this? It works for abilities, but it doesn't work for weapons? Why can I not give him a weapon? Also, what is that? That is a bit odd. How long do you think it will take to beat Dark Souls? Why is it not showing the playlist? How many is this?
Kaputt.
40 parts? 30 parts. 35 to 40 parts maybe. Every single part being about an hour and a half to up to at most 2 hours long. I think that's it. Also guys, I wanna like point this out really quickly. I've gotten some very positive feedback on the Dark Souls video. You guys seem to like it. And so I'm going to continue making those Dark Souls videos. I appreciate the feedback a lot. And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, this one right here. Check that out. This is the first time of me playing Dark Souls. People like it. They still watch it. And yeah, it's gotten more than I thought it would get in terms of views and likes. I'm very happy about that. Anyways, I need to fix this. Not sure why it's not adding the weapon here. Let me check here. Then we are done. Upgrade weapons. Oh, I see. I forgot the if check. If draw choice. Of course. If. Thank you very much for following, bro. Hero. Weapon. Choices. Dot add. Weapon data, I think, right? Right? Or weapon ID. I think it's weapon ID then. And then we also remove the upgrade cost. Yo, hey Code and Gree, a private video about CMake? Yeah, I don't know if I want to post that yet. Because it's quite negative and just me rambling and saying how shitty CMake is. I know it's gonna get like 50% downvotes. I still have it, but we'll see, right? We'll see. I feel like it's just negativity. Nothing really. Yeah. There we go. Now we should get those. Usurper, thank you very much for following. Huh? Did I just get a unrecognized item ID? Item none. Sprite white. Item none. Hey? I clicked on the crossbow, didn't I? Okay, let's see what happens. I guess we have to try this again. Hello there, Zerpa. Good morning. How are you doing, bro? We're currently working on a Bloons-like upgrade menu. No, we can't use this, with this guy right here. I'll give myself some money so that we can, yeah, upgrade our heroes with easy clicks. And so far, this is what I have. Hopefully it's not tedious. Okay, so it does work and it adds the... I wonder what the weapon choices really is. It is an item type. And I add in the crossbow. Okay. Okay. Then what's the issue next time? Ah, so I haven't filled out the weapons yet. I see. I get it now. I have not unlocked the weapon yet. I get it. Yeah, I have to figure this out yet. Essentially what's happening is... Fuck, it's a little bit annoying, but yeah. I have weapon upgrades, but I have only implemented, for the ranger, I've only implemented one row. And so the next row... Wait, how do we do that here? Like this, right? Like this. There we go, and then we put one of those here. Essentially, if we only have one row, then the next row is empty, and therefore every time I try to get an item with an empty ID, it complains. It complains and says, well, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know this item. You know, I don't know what to do with this, and therefore it gives me an assertion. Holy shit, I have many items. Holy shit, do I have many items? Bro, I get this unrecognized item ID because I use an empty item. Cakez, are you a Heroes of Might and Magic enjoyer? A big one, yes, 100%. So if I were to just give him some temporary items, right? Just to test the menu and then build again. And then it would work. See that? Now it would work again, and he has the crossbow equipped, which is the important part. He has the crossbow equipped and it works, and we can give him ice shot. This is also something I have to fix, but I'm running out of time. We'll fix that tomorrow. Cool. Yeah, awesome. Now we have this awesome menu that shows up. We can use... Oh, wow. Look at that. He exploded, this guy. Look at that, guys. Bloop. Seems very... Oh, wow. This looks kind of meh. Lol. Wonder what that is. Lol. The rest looks good. I have to fix those swords. Yeah, this guy is piercing. Do you know that Heroes of Might and Magic 3 Town has been released this year? A new? Oh, I didn't play 3. I did play 2 though. 4. Awesome. And then this guy gets the longbow. Nice. Now what we need to do to complete this fully is have an upgrade animation and a sound. Like a cool upgrade sound. Awesome. I think we made a very nice menu today. It looks much better than before, and I think it's almost finished. The only last thing that we have to do is add this in the menu, I think. I want to add that here. A target priority. Or we put the target priority right where the unit is. Why do I think that would be a nice idea? Well, because sometimes you want to switch target priority really fast, and it's easier to click on the unit and then click on arrows right next to it. Maybe. Right. And this is like the 5th or 6th iteration of upgrading units. You know, the very first iteration, if anyone, like, let me show you the very first iteration I had. If I can find it. Probably can't. It's so long ago. There's no way I find it, right? By the way, this was the first iteration of a menu that I thought would be cool for the game. Then look at all of those old skill icons. Where is it? I know I have this here. Yeah. Anyone remembers this? So what I would have back in the day, whenever a unit would level up, I would give them a random selection of attack and passive skills here, like in Vampire Survivors. And then over here you could have a reroll button and reroll the choices below. And then you pick one of those at random and it would add it to the hero as an active or a passive ability. You know? That is... And then you would also see it here, up here. You would have 4 active and 4 passive abilities. The best build system is the one that doesn't exist. Someone should make a new, better version of CMake, perhaps called Make These. Yeah, that's a long time ago. That is I think the first iteration of the upgrade system. And then that went over so many iterations. Like the tactics menu, it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, cool. There's still a lot of work to do. on the menus. The weapons need names. The items need names. Every single item needs to have a name, so I can display it there. The menu can be a bit improved, but so far, I'm very happy. And then obviously this bug needs to be changed as well. When did you start this project? About 2.5 years ago. Awesome. Wow, look at that. Wow, can he kill those though? Can he kill them? Let's see. This guy is slowing them. You should have range, right? Goodness. Yeah, obviously the golems are in the wrong location. I have to still fix their sprites, right? Oh wow. Okay. But you can start to see, you're starting to see the destruction of the game. That's awesome. Obviously the collider, me drawing the collider is a little bit odd. And the golems need to be placed correctly to where they walk. They are too far below because they don't have a pivot point yet. But man, awesome. Then we also have this still, this animation. I totally forgot about that. Boom. Gives us money. And then it has a nice Vampire Survivors-esque screen. I'm very proud of that. Took a long time to make. We made it as good as we can. Yeah, and I just noticed the gold it clips into the heart. I have to fix that too. Don't golems walk on 4 legs? Wow, I think I can't beat those actually. Coins should spin and fall. Yeah, maybe. Oh god. I can't kill them. They get very low, but I can't. Maybe I can add another one here. Cheat myself some money. Come on. Come on, dude. Kill them. Come on. Oh. Look at all of those chests. If one of them gets past, I lose, by the way. Okay. Awesome. There needs to be a way to skip this. GG. Yeah. I need to have a way to skip this. Awesome. I'm very happy. Okay, guys, we're gonna switch over to Dark Souls now. I'm currently in the midst of playing through Dark Souls. By the way, no, actually, I'm gonna let the next round play. I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. When do we get to playtest? When it's done. When it's actually fun to play.